how to delete ChatGPT history or search history. So I will show you in this video. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open ChatGPT. Okay, so here we are, and this is my ChatGPT window, and you can see I have two chat here, or history you can see. So as you can delete from here, you need to just go you need to just get over the chart and just click on this three dot option here, and you can delete from here. So this option, uh, with this you can with this you can delete one by one. But if you want to delete all chart history or search history in chat gpt at once, you need to go in this option. You need to click on your profile icon, go to the settings, and in general you can see the delete all chart. Just go to the click delete all chart, and then all your chart will be deleted. Okay, just click on delete all chart. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.